Hi, my name is Chrisanna, and I'm here today because I'd like to say thank you to Jack McCaig for his Liberty Aid program. Just a few short weeks ago, I was in a space that was pretty low. I was feeling kind of desperate and scared and alone and overwhelmed. And I was dealing with some pretty, let's say, aggressive debt collectors and banksters due to a divorce that I've gone through, and didn't know where to turn and didn't know what I was going to do to rectify the situation. So an angel on earth sent me information about Jack McCaig. Again, I'm so grateful, eternally. So I began looking up his information. I went to YouTube and listened to the testimonials. I went to the website and I found myself getting encouraged. And I found myself feeling hope rising within me again. And I found myself thinking maybe there is a light at the end of this tunnel and there is a way out of this mess. And so I went ahead and purchased the program. Now, I'm not all the way through it, but I'm here today because I wanted to get the word out about something that I didn't see a lot of information on when I was going through the information. And by the way, the testimonials are wonderful. They really helped me to click on that buy button. So thank you to all the YouTubers and all the people that have given testimonials. You're helping a lot of people. So I decided to join that rank because I'd like to help anybody who's feeling like I was feeling as well. And so I went ahead and purchased, and then I set the appointment for the consultation right away. And what I discovered in that consultation is I discovered that I made a transition. I was literally changed just because of the consultation. So I listened to Jack and realized that not only could I get out of the situation that I was in, but that I was being armed with the truth. I was being armed with the knowledge that it takes to stand up against the fraudulent banking system that rules our country right now. So Jack's knowledge, combined with his passion, combined with his heart, combined with his desire to help people, combined with the overall mission that he and the Liberty Aid team have, just gave me a few moments of heaven on earth. And I felt relief and I felt encouraged. And again, my confidence was just completely different by the time we hung up. I'm ready to take the next step. I'm not afraid anymore. I'm not worried anymore. I'm actually ready to kind of look at him and say, bring it. Thanks to Jack McCaig and the Liberty Aid program. So I hope these words encourage you. And if you're in a space that you're feeling overwhelmed and you're feeling a little bit lost and alone, just know that you're not. You're not alone. You're not lost. And you don't have to be overwhelmed. You just click that buy button and set that consultation. You will catapult yourself into a new space filled with hope, filled with joy, filled with peace and calm. And you will know that there is a light at the end of the tunnel. Thank you. Bye-bye.